Want a daily dose of Ireland, its stories, hidden places, and yes, the Craic? Read the full article and join over 64,000 Ireland lovers free at Love Ireland, delivered to your inbox every weekday morning. Most cultures have a word for fun. Ireland has a word for something richer, something the rest of the world has been quietly trying to import for centuries. That word is Craic. Craic means conversation, fun, news, atmosphere, and belonging, all at once. Ask what's the Craic, and you're really asking what's the mood, what's the news, and what are we doing tonight, all in 3 words. It names a feeling, not an activity, which is exactly why no single English word has ever managed to carry it. The slipperiness is precisely the point, and that's what makes it so wonderfully Irish. In Ireland, slagging, affectionate teasing, is how trust is shown. Far from an insult, a good slagging says you're one of us. It quietly dismantles status games and puts everyone on the same level. The person who can laugh at themselves is the person everyone wants at the table. That generous, self-aware humor is the beating heart of Irish banter and what makes it feel so warm. Craic happens in the in-between moments, the pub, the kitchen, the shop queue, even the funeral. It's the unplanned half hour that somehow turns into 3, and it cannot be scheduled, only allowed. Leave room in the day and Craic finds you. Fill every minute and it never gets a look in. It's a gentle reminder that the best of life lives in the gaps we actually leave open. In an age of curated transactional socializing, Craic is the glorious opposite, unhurried, unmonetized, and generous with time. It's the antidote to small talk, asking nothing except that you stay a while. You don't need to be in Ireland to have it. Tell the story for the story's sake. Make room for the quiet one. Put the kettle on, and stay 20 minutes longer than you meant to, because the best of the Craic always happens after you've decided to leave. That's the secret Ireland has known all along, and once you feel it, you'll never want to rush away again. Want a daily dose of Ireland, its stories, hidden places, and yes, the Craic? Read the full article and join over 64,000 Ireland lovers free at Love Ireland, delivered to your inbox every weekday morning.